Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing the Kyosho Beads Collection Nissan Skyline, the Kenmeri in green. They have a blue one as well. This is the racing livery. In my opinion, is my favorite livery on the Kenmeri. And Kyosho, in my opinion, hands down, this is the best Kenmeri out there. That's my opinion though. Yeah. We're gonna go jump into this and we'll be back after. That was the Kyosho Nissan Skyline, the Kenmeri. They actually have this real car in real life at the Nissan Museum in Japan. If I can find a picture, I'll put one up here. If I can't, then disregard what I just said. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful car. Again, like I said, I think it's one of the best Kenmeris out there. But again, that's my opinion. Now, this is from 2009 or around that around that year. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.